bases, how to prep for a patio. You want to dig your patio out to, usually your slabs are 20 mil thick, so you want to dig out 220 millimeters below your finished level. You want to put in about 150 mil of type 1, lay it on a 50 mil bed of sand and cement, and yeah, we use type 1, you can use 40 mil scalpings. Generally, if you've got quite a little whacker, you want to whack it every 75 mil, so almost whack it in 2 layers. You probably could get away with 100 mil, but yeah, we always go 150 for a sub base on patios. So if you're going into porcelain, you could be doing things a bit differently, concrete base and laying on that. But generally, sandstone, limestone, I lay porcelain on a sub base. So yeah, you just want to dig out 220 millimeters below your finished level, 150 mil of type 1 scalpings, compact that every 75 mil, lay 50 mil of your concrete, and then a slab.